Start in the stitch to the right of any front post double crochet from round 6. Work 1 single crochet. Chain 1. Skip the next stitch, the front post double crochet of round 6. 1 single crochet. Now, chains 3. Then work 1 front post single crochet around the closing chain of the closed together cluster from round 8. Next, chains 3. Repeat around. To finish the round, join with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total, 16 single crochets, 8 front post single crochets, 8 chain 1 spaces, 16 chain 3 spaces. In each chain 1 space of round 9, work 1 puff 3. Chain 8. Now, repeat all the way around. To finish the round, join with 1 slip stitch in the top of the first puff stitch. Total, 8 puffs 3, 8 chains 8 spaces. Start in the chain 3 space from round 8 immediately to the left of any puff stitch, from round 10. Bring that chain 3 loop, round 8, to the front, work 4 double crochets into it. Skip the next single crochet of round 8, the single crochet between the 2 chain 3 spaces. Bring the next chain 3 loop, round 8, to the front and work 4 double crochets into it. Work 1 front post single crochet around the puff stitch from round 10. Repeat around. Join with 1 slip stitch in the first double crochet. In the next space between 2 4 double crochets groups from round 11, work 5 double crochets. One fan. Chains 5. Repeat around. Join with 1 slip stitch in the first double crochet. Total 40 double crochets, 8 chains, 5 spaces. Now, in the next fan from round 12, you'll see 5 double crochets. Work in the 4 gaps between them. In the first gap, make a treble crochet 3 together, then chain 2. Do that again in the next 2 gaps, treble crochet 3 together, chain 2. And in the 4th and last gap, make 1 more treble crochet 3 together. Now, work 1 puff stitch made with front post single crochet from round 11. Repeat around. To finish the round, join with 1 slip stitch to the first treble crochets 3 together. Total, 32 treble crochets 3 together, 8 puff 3, 24 chains 2 spaces. In the next chain 8 space from round 10, work 1 single crochet, chain 3, and 1 single crochet. Now chain 5. Work 3 front post half double crochet closed together as follows. 1 front post half double crochet around the post of the 4th treble crochet 3 together of the current set, round 13. 1 front post half double crochet around the puff stitch made with puff 3. And 1 front post half double crochet around the post of the treble crochet 3 together of the next set. Close all 3 together. Then chains 5 again. Repeat around. To finish the round, join with 1 slip stitch to the top of the first front post half double crochets 3 together. Total, 8 front post half doubles crochet 3 together, 16 single crochets, 16 chain 5 spaces, 8 chains 3 spaces. Start in any chain 2 space of round 13. Now, 4 half double crochet in the current chain 2 space. One front post half double crochet around the next stitch or post. Skip the next chain 2 space. 1 half double crochet. 1 double crochet. Chains 2. 1 double crochet. 1 half double crochet. 1 front post half double crochet. Skip the next chain 2 space. 4 half double crochets in the next chains 2 space. Repeat 7 more times. To finish the round, join with 1 slip stitch. Total, 16 double crochets, 80 half double crochets, 16 front post half double crochets, 8 chain 2 spaces. Bring the long chain from round 14 to the front and work 1 popcorn. Chain 1. Bring forward the next long chain from round 14 and work 1 popcorn. Chains 5. One single crochet in the next chains 5 of round 14. Chain 3. 1 single crochet in the next chains 5 of round 14. Chains 5. Now, repeat 7 more times. To finish the round, join with 1 slip stitch in the closing chain of the first popcorn stitch. Total, 16 popcorns, 16 single crochets, 8 chains 5 spaces, 16 chains 3 spaces, 8 chains 1 spaces.